Welcome back to eCreativeAid. The oatmeal bath is among the most tried and true home remedies for relaxation. No matter what aches or ailments you might be experiencing, it is particularly beneficial for soothing dry skin. Oatmeal baths are even espoused by the National Eczema Association as treatment for eczema. Since ancient Roman times, people have been using oatmeal for skincare. Today, special oatmeal formulations are used in a variety of skin products, from lotions to bath soaps. Oatmeal contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and moisture-retaining properties. People use oatmeal to treat a variety of skin conditions, including atopic dermatitis, chickenpox, contact dermatitis, diaper rash, dry itchy skin, eczema, psoriasis, reactions to insect bites and plants, such as poison oak. Now, how to make the bath? First, you want to start by grinding oatmeal into a fine powder. Place about 1 cup of raw, unflavored oats into the blender, food processor, or coffee grinder. No need to get too fancy. The kind of normal packaged oatmeal you'd find at the supermarket will work just fine. The oatmeal particles must be very small in order to spread through the bath water without simply sinking to the bottom of the tub. Run a warm bath once the oatmeal has reached a fine enough consistency. Shake the powder into the bathtub as it fills. If you wish, you can also incorporate other additives at this point, such as whole milk to soften skin, sea salt to exfoliate, or essential oils to moisturize and provide a pleasant fragrance. Roughly 1 cup of ground oatmeal along with any other additives of your choosing will be good. Run your hand through the bath water until the oatmeal powder and other additives are completely dissolved. The water will begin to take on a milky appearance. This is a good thing, as it means the oatmeal has been very distributed throughout. Soak for 15 to 30 minutes, and this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.